What's up YouTube? I'm Bailey Gardner. This is an Infiniti G35 and this is a Caterpillar 330. The old Infiniti did not last as long as we wanted it to. Unfortunately, the Infiniti is not as reliable as we once thought it was. She did throw a rod. Can I drop it yet? So unfortunately that means we have to get rid of her. Enjoy this. So we're gonna take this Infiniti G35 and we're gonna just drop it and play with it and basically whatever else. Shut up! Anyways, dude, just all right. Drop it. You can let her eat. My Infiniti, it's broken. Oh, look what you've done. Hey, look at it, dude, it's stanced, bro. Look at the back wheels, it's got camber, I think. Well, dang it. Well, now what are we supposed to do? Hold up. I think I have an idea. Just like any crackhead, we're not about to scrap this with cats on it. Yeah, baby! So now I'm gonna perform the world's quickest engine pull. So first you wanna start off with like a nice car, right? Like this car that nothing's wrong with it. It's just a brand new car. And instead of wasting your time unbolting everything, just grab your Caterpillar 330D and now look at that, a very lightly used VQ engine. All right, who wants that bad girl? Low mile VQ engine, 35K miles, never abused. Come pick it up, 24 grand, $2,400.
My strap.
Oh, your strap. Here, you want that real fast? That's okay. All right, I got you. Hey, you said you want your strap back, bro? You guys are not going to believe this, but for the second time now, Tristan has completely fucked my drone. Look at this thing, dog. I mean, how do you even manage to do this, bruh? What is wrong with you? That's the second drone. That's the second drone that this guy is fucked up.
What can I say? I'm a professional drone crasher.
Yeah, you're getting pretty good at it now, dude. Look at that. I mean, fucking arms broke, arms broke.
I mean, just look at this. Broken, gone, broken.
There's chunks taken out of the wings. Can't trust you with nothing. Well, oh well. Guess we gotta pay to get it fixed. Is what it is, I guess.